What'd you say?
I just went offline. Chill out.
Oh, okay. Just making sure.
No, my thing crashed again.
Bro.
Cap.
Okay, I hate you people.
No, I'm fucking around. I didn't crash.
Dude, I swear to God, he scared the shit out of me.
Stop!
Damn it, Ace.
You're spamming my fuck. No, stop. I'm literally about to unfriend you, Ace.
I literally only did it twice. Chill.
What do you
yeah.
mean? There's like 6 of them here.
I only clicked it twice.
I'm trying to have a conversation with Cantrip on their team about how I'm gonna dox him and that's his kink. I'm ready.
Someone link me to stream, dude.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. Slash chat.
It's just Star Esports Live. Yeah,
That's a lot of letters.
Star Esports Live. That's it.
Wait, it's waiting. Don't pick. It's waiting.
Yeah, still waiting. Imagine.
It's university, so it's inside. So we go Doom May or
Wait, we can't watch it, can we?
it's 3 minute
It's a
delay.
3-minute
so it doesn't matter.
delay.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Okay. So what are we running here? It's Oasis University, so it's the inside map.
Let's go Orisa Hog. That sounds
Where's
fun.
the Hog, May Reaper?
We did that last time.
Okay.
I'll go. I'll start Anna and then I'll swap Moira afterward.
Okay. I don't think Lucio is necessary here. I think Moira or cause
How about-
yeah, Moira.
No, I think we. You don't think Lucio?
No,
How
because
much-
Lucio doesn't get much value in a Orisa Hog.
Well, yeah.
Because once we get into a position, we ideally don't want to be moving that far away from it.
Yeah.
Who's
We
streaming?
just don't have a defense support ult.
Alright, you can go Zen if you want, or
Well, that's
I
kind
can go Zen.
yeah.
Chris, are you streaming?
No.
Okay, I'm messaging you. Be someone else is streaming.
I'm streaming.
I'm streaming.
I'm not.
Dude, they're 6 stacking. What the fuck? We're gonna lose.
Dude, we're not six. Wait, I invited you up, but you left the fucking group.
I didn't leave the group.
Okay, let's go,
You
boys.
left the group.
Go. Let's go, dude.
Alright, I'm here.
Let's go.
Let's go, dude. Okay, right side of, left side of point. I think go
Yep,
straight in.
left side, left side.
I gotta turn off the stream, dude. It's distracting me.
Do it.
Left side, left side, left side. No?
We're
They're
going
left. They're left.
Oh, they're full.
They're
yeah,
coming
they're
on our
full,
left.
Yep, yep.
Oh, okay.
Watch out. The rotation.
They have a
This all the
dude.
way behind.
Anyone see Doom?
No, they're wild.
Dude,
Oh,
left
they're-
side,
Takes
left
purple.
side.
Takes purple.
Hog one.
Dim one, dim one, dim one, dim one.
Push.
Woo.
Alright,
Lucio.
Yo, I'm going for something risky.
Can I get
Yeah.
some of that top off? Okay, never mind.
Ooh!
Huge dude.
Got embarrassed.
dude, the Arisa's wall. The
Arista,
Arisa's wall.
no shield. One. I mean, Discord.
Wall up the Orisa more so I can get some
Yeah.
flank.
Tried. I'm ultimate.
They're going left side.
Oh my God.
Oh, what the fuck? They're coming left, yeah.
Shield's broken.
Lucio purple.
She's broken.
Lucio 1 HP. Oh no.
I hope this is a good scrim.
It's not a scrim.
Oh shit, dude. You're right.
Oh shit. Oh shucks.
I have nano.
I was
I
some
get
ultimate.
Thanks. Where are they going?
Nowhere right now. Spawn.
These Orisa walls are kinda interesting.
Alright, just back up.
They're coming right.
Back
Oh,
up,
they're
back
coming
up,
left.
back
They're
up,
left. They're
back
left.
up,
No,
back
they're
up,
right.
back
They're
up.
right. They're right. What are you
Okay,
talking?
they fake. Oh
Yeah.
fuck.
Yo, try to push them off.
Dude.
You have ults.
Doom purple.
Oh, that's a 6-man, boys.
Not all of them.
Reaper getting out.
Yep.
Oh god, I missed the
This,
sleep.
this
Watch out.
quarter.
Watch out.
Oh my god, no.
Oh my
Oh, I'm alive.
Who's on point?
Oh,
Lucio.
Lucio?
Dude, that was a fucking nuts blizzard, boys.
Yeah, that's a really
I-
big blizzard.
I used amplification to that.
Bigger blizzard than the company.
You're not playing BAP.
Pulling.
Oh, I'm breaking supercharger
Discord
down.
to the right.
Big purple. I'm nanoing you.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Reaper's coming on top to point. Reaper
Got him.
Reaper hog.
Hog, point.
Hog.
Oh, you just ate that hook for me, dude.
I
Like,
don't
oh,
need a fucking emo.
I was dead.
Nice job.
Jared. Roger.
No toxicity, correct?
Yes.
Toxicity until after. Wait, no, not even ever.
Not even after.
Not even effort.
Literally
I'll
not
say
ever.
no toxicity until. Alright, he did a heart. We're not allowed to do that.
I don't know what the limits are, dude. I've only played one game with you guys.
Same.
Well, this
This
is
is
a
our first
tournament.
game as well.
This is
We're
a tournament.
generally-
We had to
kinda
forfeit
toxic.
the last one.
You all talked at once. I didn't hear a single thing.
This is our first game as well.
Here we go. Pharmacy. Pharmacy.
Yeah, pharmacy. Do it.
Pharmacy McCree.
Yo, you should do
Josh.
Let's check their hit scan.
Yeah, let's test him. I want to test him really hard here.
Can I go Tracer?
Yes.
Yeah.
Go Tracer.
I'll switch if it's not doing well. Promise.
Yeah.
I'll swap back Reaper if we need.
Yeah, I just really like this map as Tracer.
I'll go Moira if I get fucked.
I wonder if they're gonna let us play Ryan Zarya.
Oh yeah.
They'll
They
probably
better.
punish us.
I'm going. Where?
They're
on
on
a
a
I'm
resog in main.
They're on point. They're on point.
Left, go left, go left, go left.
Oh my god.
Pulling. Hold.
Here, come. I can see.
I don't know they.
Oh, I'm pulling back a bit. Have no shield him one. Shielding. Pulling.
Arista purple. Arista
got
purple. Arista one. Oh
Hog,
god.
hog.
Oh, no heal.
Yes, no heal. Hog, no heal. Hog, no heal.
Someone's on the right. Someone's on the right.
Oh, I got hooked. My bad. Fuck.
Anna's
Reaper
1
low.
HP.
Reaper 1. Right side.
Right side.
Got him.
Where's the Anna? The Anna's on the right, Ace.
Anna backed out, I think.
What?
I was like right on her. I don't know where she went.
Still on
There
Baptiste.
she is. I got her.
My god,
good,
no
Tiger.
way. That's huge.
Down him
Down
McCree now.
McCree.
Down him McCree now instead of Hanzo.
Yep.
Now McCree Reaper now. Alright, let's test him. I'm gonna hold top left. I'm gonna ultimate when they come in.
Ready? Pulling.
They're pulling.
Oh, huge.
Oh, it's huge.
That's something.
It's Reaper no fade. Reaper no.
Mercy.
Oh, you're behind the shield. I can't heal you.
Oh my god.
Got it.
Fuck, I'm so Pega, dude.
Kill this. Mercy. Bap one. Anna's 1 HP. Oh,
Okay, back up a little bit.
they went Bap, yeah.
We might go Widow here. Try to sniper some spawn. Or not.
Nah.
That means he's probably close to McCree. Right? He's like, okay, he's not hitting
The
me.
Reaper?
Yeah, next up
The
here.
Reaper's close to McCreel. Yes,
Where are
bro.
you?
I have Nano. I'm probably
I'm ready above
gonna
you. Ready above you.
pulling.
No, I'm gonna Nano Hog to this fight.
Oh,
I'm about to ult
huge.
them when they come in. Oh, ultimately come in.
And
Oh,
I
okay.
missed.
Yeah, they're coming in. I'm dead.
Dex.
Oh god, I'm dead. Fuck. Okay, back out.
Yeah, don't.
Back to point. Just stall.
Oh, Ursa.
Wait, actually.
We can win this. We
I
can
got
win
hooked.
this.
No, I got hooked.
Oh,
It's just you, Hog. It's just you.
Wait,
I'm stalled.
it gets stalled. It gets stalled though. Oh no.
Yeah, big stall.
I missed my hook.
Damn. Yeah, I didn't know we lost like 2 more.
That's
Right,
alright.
Yeah, I got hooked. Sorry.
Okay, we need to make sure they don't.
They're gonna come back at the same rate that I am, so I can try to hit them out from
Did
spawn.
anyone see the Bryce, do you see the Reaper?
Yeah, the Reaper's come back from spawn.
Oh, he has 100.
Reaper's on high ground.
We're waiting for a Hog.
Oh no, Dex. Oh no.
I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Pulling, pushing.
Reaper's on the nipple.
Pulling.
Huge. Shit.
Supercharger down.
I'm sending Reaper in. Reaper's gonna ult.
Oh, he's down.
We win.
Go.
Oh no.
Oh god.
Left. Play.
Left?
Versing.
Where's the one?
We lost. Pull up.
Okay.
No,
Reaper's-
winnable. Pulling, go.
Ursa dead. What? Oh, dude.
Where is he?
Oh no, dead.
Hog asleep.
Nice.
It's just Reaper.
Still winnable.
Reaper. He's dead.
It's just free.
No, Career's one. Thank you. My MS
you
is
should-
so high, dude.
What do you have right now?
I have 53.
Well, you're East Coast.
Oh yeah.
About 60.
Being on West Coast.
I'm at 85.
I have Nano.
Pull
I'm
over
just
this.
gonna hog.
Hey, pull over the wall. Never mind. Okay.
Ah.
When they get close to that, so we can not risk it.
Versus one, hog one.
Mercy.
Nice.
Let's
Nice.
go.
Sure.
GG.
Yo, my ego is getting stroked by the announcer.
What are they saying?
Dude, when I did that hook off the edge, dude, stroking my ego.
Call them hot cocks.
No.
No.
Let's go, Bryce.
Call them hot cock.
Is this where you fed? Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Oh wait. Oh yeah, this is before.
What is this?
Dude, what? You like whipped like 5 shots.
Wait, you got one kill.
That's half of Farah. No, shut up. That's half of Farah.
Whiffing 5 shots in a mag.
Shut up.
Dude, offensive assists.
Dude, popped off.
Oh, none of their team voted.
Dude, Dex, you're. Why did you vote for yourself and not me, Dex? Come on.
I
now.
voted for Dex.
Oh my god.
Oh, I didn't even vote.
Dude, they were specking me. Let's go. Mercy gets the spec.
I'm watching.
I'm gonna watch it at the end. Like I'm gonna spend 2 hours.
Yeah, I'm
tonight and
gonna
just
watch.
Yeah.
I've got the chat open, but I'm not really watching it. Dude, oh, they're spectating clapped right now.
They only watch me
Wacky,
when I'm
where
not doing
Wacky.
video.
Defense or offense? Defense or offense?
Oh, picks
I think
for
defense first.
Horizon?
Yeah,
Defense.
Definitely. Definitely what?
Def defense.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Oh wait, he's still
for,
spectating blue.
for this. We should. What should we go for?
Defense?
I want to go May. I want to go May or Junkrat.
I don't know, man. Our defense was poop last time, so
What did you guys run?
I don't even remember.
You want a
Hey, do you remember
pharmacy? I
what
mean, they
ran?
couldn't really do anything about it.
That's because it was a shitty McCree. We
I
can
mean,
pharmacy on
pharmacy's not
attack.
good on the
We can
first.
pharmacy on
map.
attack.
Wait, guys, Vape is still spectating us.
Vaporeon. Oh, hey, hold on.
They made fun of me for not connecting all my hooks.
Dude, imagine calling him
Um,
Vape. You both misspelled his name.
Because you pronounced it as vape.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were watching me.
Vaporeon.
Alright. So yeah, defense. I don't know. If you want to try May, we could do like a Bastion kind of thing.
Like May Bastion.
Yeah, that
I
sounds
fuck
good.
with that. I fuck with it. Like
Yeah,
doing what the teams in the gauntlet were doing.
What?
In the gauntlet teams are running Bastion May on defense.
Oh
like,
yeah.
Like runaway and
Run away, puppy laugh.
Oh, the spectating decks.
Yo, that was a nice shot on Mercy, dude.
oh yeah, dude. I was from warming up shooting at ace.
What?
And
Oh,
then,
yeah.
and then you guys got clapped by the McCree.
Yeah.
Wait,
I don't
what
even
did I
care.
do?
I got them all low there. I don't even care what happened.
We both said ready. So.
Oh, that's just where you fed.
He's doing work, dude.
Okay, there we go.
Putting in the time.
Let's go. Alright, I'll go back. You
Don't
go
pick,
first.
don't
Oh,
pick, don't
fuck.
pick, don't pick,
Yeah.
don't pick, don't pick. Okay. Yeah, we don't pick until the game starts.
Right, sorry.
Third-
I'm not
third
used
back.
to. I'm not used to waiting first
Yeah, I know, right?
because Will sets up games correctly.
Yeah.
Well, the rest of the org is watching the games.
Is that, are they really?
There's
seen last
25
time,
people watching, by the way.
I think my
Wait,
dad is
oh,
watching.
shit, really?
I didn't tell
She
my
said,
dad.
I think my dad is watching.
My girlfriend's
I-
I
watching.
dropped down to 19 now.
I think he is. He watched my other tournament games.
My boyfriends are watching.
Which one?
Plural.
Both of them.
Oh,
So wait,
buddy.
What take line are we playing?
Ace your dog doesn't count.
Ryan Zara, dude. Ryan Zara.
Maybe.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, back to the yeah. No, Risa Sigma.
Okay.
Sorry, but
Thanks for learning Diva crits.
Yeah, no problem. I'm gonna have to relearn the precision age again. I haven't played
Yeah,
it since 6
Chris,
months
did you message the guy?
I did. I have not no response.
No,
yet.
dude, they were showing my player card, dude, and then it cut to an ad. What the fuck?
Yeah, he said he can help with like VOD reviews like one-on-one and then like
Yeah.
any advice.
I know. I'm just waiting for a response from him.
Yeah. Okay, so where are we holding, Bryce?
up here
Okay.
on the corner.
Okay.
Then if they try to go inside here, I'll wall them off here. And if they try to go this way, I'll wall them off that way.
Okay.
And then we just shred them. And if someone needs to drop to point, it's gonna be the Sigma.
Call out which
Yeah.
way they're going because I can't
Yeah.
see.
Yeah.
I'm the punching bag.
They got Lucio.
I'm gonna lose their scout.
See,
They're going right.
Right. Sorry.
Soldier.
Wait, they're
Red Lucio. Lucio.
someone's
They're
right
left.
side.
Lucio
Someone's
left.
right
Lucio
side.
left. Lucio left.
I'm
Go point.
Good point.
Go
Back
point,
to
go
point. Back to point. Back to point. Back to point. Zarya's right side point. Zarya's right side point.
I hate the
Zarya's on
delay.
top of point. Oh god.
Okay.
I'm blocking behind you, Ace.
Yes.
I'll watch behind us. Soldier's top right. Soldier's coming right.
They're going. They're flanking.
Move, Ace. Ace, move.
I walled him up. They popped him more, so they get this way.
Got him.
Nice ice block.
Got him.
I got you. We can.
Big boy ice block. Are they still over there? Can we push
Yeah,
it? Yeah, we can push it. Push the Zarya. Push the Zarya.
I'm eating. Walk forward. I need.
I got heals on you. Push the Zarya. Push the Zarya.
Arya?
Just high charge. Push her. I got Immort. We need. Someone got out.
Yeah,
That's fine.
Soldier got out.
Soldier got out.
It's fine.
Okay, back up.
Back
Back up top.
That was my fault. I didn't wall them off properly. I'm good now. I'm gonna like set up. I was looking at there's Zarya. Stuck good.
Okay. They have a McCree.
Yeah, they're sticking on the same comp. I think they're expecting a pharmacy, which is good that we are gonna run one on attack, and then we can switch it up. I'm watching.
Which way are they coming?
They're
Down
coming in from
there.
right side.
Okay.
Coming from right side, but
They're gonna go below us probably.
yeah.
If they come below us, we
probably.
need to rotate to the point in the window
middle.
above the point.
No, we rotate to the middle there, like here.
And then I'm gonna use square when they do. They have a Hanzo now. No McCree.
Sorry, or Hanzo. And then Bab. Or they have Bab. Big wall.
Well,
Yo, Hanzo. He's one.
They're going.
Lucio, left side.
Point. Rotate.
Kill Lucio. Lucio, get that.
Watch out.
Yo, sorry. I need help.
Drop to point. Back up point.
Sorry,
I got boost.
Ryan? DPS up top.
Yo, Ryan.
Lucio.
Square.
DPS up top.
Ryan's on the right side. Ryan's on the right.
Zarya no personal.
Sorry.
Zarya no personal. Frozen right side.
Nice.
Help her, Russell.
DPS up top.
Soldiers backing off.
Got him.
Oh, huge! Big
Okay.
snipe. Alright, back up top. I don't really
They're getting
know
grab
if they're
dragon. They're getting grab dragon.
I think I'm just
No,
gonna
they don't.
save-
They just swapped on Hanzo. They
No,
don't have dragon.
that's what they're saving for though.
Yeah, so they'll save. They're gonna have shadow though. They're probably gonna shadow this fight and then
Yeah.
soldier ult.
They're probably gonna go left side here. Someone
I don't know why they're running Bab Lucio. That's kind of strange.
Yeah, everyone just stay behind the shield when they soldier out. We're gonna need that. Yeah, I don't have Valk.
They're going below us. Oh, they're going up top.
I missed.
Where are they?
Below. They're all one. Hanzo one. Hanzo.
Someone's
one.
behind on point.
I can't touch.
Under us. Zarya under us.
Hanzo.
Sorry. Wait.
Oh,
Can we
boy.
save her?
Yeah, I confuse her. Okay, they're pausing. Okay. Chris.
buddy.
Oh my god, Chrissy.
Oh,
Chris,
my
my boy.
drivers.
Chris.
My drivers, dude.
My drivers. I dropped.
The drivers, boys.
Chris's drivers dropped.
I gave him
Shit,
the
dude.
disease.
I'm gonna watch the stream.
Wait, did he have ult?
Yeah.
Yes, he did.
I used Flux, so I don't really save anything.
We're fine.
So we're gonna have to kill that Ryan right away.
Dude, people are cheering us on in the chat.
Wait, really?
Fuck you.
Yeah.
Yo, since the Zarya's still alive, we gotta kill this Zarya, dude.
Yeah. We
Yes,
can.
yeah. I'm like right. I'm staring at her ass actually.
I was gonna say save her, but since Chris is gone, we need to kill her.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we need to kill her like right now.
They're gonna have like what else? All of them?
They're 3 dead right now. So if we kill this Zarya, that's big.
Yeah.
Wait, are there any close? If there's none close, we can hold her for like another.
No, there's no one close. We just killed them all.
You think?
So do
We
you
just
want to
wiped
hold?
them. Yeah, we just. Yeah, we just
Sold.
wiped them.
I know Ryan's in their spawn. Soldier's somewhere. I don't know where though.
Bap is dead. Lucio's dead. If no one's there, try to hold her for like another 3 seconds.
Okay.
Soldier's
Don't
the
worry.
only one that might be close.
She
Yeah.
has mostly
I
full.
killed. Yeah. So here.
I'm getting it.
Wait, Chris, what's happening?
I'm logging in right now.
Okay.
If it happens again, I have my phone ready for my hotspot. I just turned on my hotspot, ready to go.
Oh my god.
I'm prepared.
That-
I'm fucking prepared now.
It won't help the drivers, Chris.
Okay, wait. Really, next time just
Fine,
DM
fine.
it to Love's boost.
Wait, what?
Next time DM that to Love's boost, I think, or actually no, because that's the forecast, I think.
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
know.
Okay.
Yeah, he's the specker, so don't DM him actually.
Alright. Chris, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Alright, so
Alright,
yeah,
get ready. Kill Zarya right
let's
now.
hold this Zarya. Hold
Or-
this Zarya.
Hard out. I can
They only
freeze her.
have
I
30
can freeze
seconds
her.
Oh, let's do this, guys.
I
You
can
guys
wall
got
and
this.
freeze her.
Oh, why'd they pause? Oh, okay.
Yeah. I can wall and
I'm
freeze.
gonna.
Oh,
should I
okay,
just go
thank you.
Yeah,
ball?
wall
Should I
her
go
off.
ball?
Wall her off.
Zarya, try to save her. No one's here.
Can you wall?
Alright. That's fine. That's fine.
You wanna hold
Yeah,
point?
back high,
Back up.
back
Back up top.
Yo,
We
we
don't
might
have
we
Orisa though.
Yeah, me. You
They're
may
gonna
have
grab here.
Yeah,
might
both
have
keep
to pop.
assholes.
We can
I'm coming
pop
back
through.
fast.
The Josh, let me when shield drops.
Here, Lucio's gonna come to the left and try to boop us off.
Yeah.
And then they're gonna grab.
Yo, honestly, use ults early here. Get a pick.
Yeah.
Oh, like Bastion, you should
I'm
ult
about to.
early.
I'm about to be here. I'm about to be here.
Yeah.
No.
They have a sim. They're telling.
They're small.
Got
They're
it.
small now.
I'm
Main,
gonna
main,
put
main,
on point.
main. Soldier low.
We
Soldier
need to
low.
drop. We need to drop.
Soldier 1.
Immort's on grab.
I'm eating soldier.
Soldiers on the
ult.
right. Soldiers on the
I'm
right.
eating his ult. I'm eating his ult. He's dead.
Nice
Nice.
job.
Nice shit, guys. GG.
Let's go.
GR.
Or GR. Yeah.
GR, sure.
They all pressed around. They all pressed Q same time.
Yeah, but we did too. Or we pressed 2 good Qs and got
As
2
soon
good
as I
kills.
heard their footsteps, I hit Q and I deleted the teleporter.
That was huge. Yeah, they like half their team couldn't get to points. There was just like they had no follow up on the graph, so it was really good.
Alright, let's pharmacy. That sounds fun.
Yes, sir.
I'm watching.
Pharmacy and then Widow.
Ooh.
Yeah, I can boot them off high ground and you can just get value off them. Cause
What
like
tanks?
what tanks?
Ryan Zara for the grab, maybe?
Arisa Hog.
That's Ryan Zarya. That sounds fun.
Oh
Let's
yeah,
do it.
Ryan Zarya. Yeah.
Oh, we
If it
gotta
doesn't
swap.
work, like if we
Guess
get
what?
fucking
Guess
rolled,
what? Here's the
we'll
thing.
swap.
We didn't give them the tick, so if everything goes
Yeah.
to shit.
Yeah, true.
Worst comes to worst, it's a draw. But I'd rather if they have like if we're not working after 2 minutes, let's switch it up to like double shield or Doomfist Reaper. We keep
Yeah,
bitches at it.
On a different.
Whoever has chat on, it's really loud.
Big pain.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm against some
I'm not listening to it. I'm just.
dude, I watched Chris lag out. He just ran into a wall.
Yeah, I was just like, I just see everyone running to walls. I'm like, oh no, I lost. Like here's the thing, I was still in the Discord call, and then all of a sudden then that disconnected. So I was like, fuck.
Hey man, this might be a
Alright.
win.
Alright, back.
Yeah, this is
I'm
easy
the only
for
one at the house right now. That's the sad part.
Easy
Oh,
for
so you mean I can go and invade your house and take you?
It's the
Oh,
drive.
that's-
Oh.
Please, I rather
Good cheapest.
if I can get better internet, please. Thank you.
Dude, the phone hotspot for the. Dude, he's going in.
Let's
dude.
go. Let's go. Chill.
Yeah, I'm scouting. They have Arisa.
Okay.
They're not holding corner. They're holding point. They're holding point.
Yeah, well
They
they.
have Symmetra. They have Symmetra. Fashion.
Damn.
I booped Baptiste stuff.
Baptiste is half nice.
Huge. Let's go. Let's go.
Go. I have no bubbles. So I need to charge.
We need to go left. We need to go left.
Oh, fuck.
Get over here.
I'm coming.
Oh.
No, we lost the mercy.
Oh no.
Dex,
It's fine,
rest in
it's fine,
peace.
it's fine, it's fine. It's just play safe, play safer. Bastion, no shield, no shield. They fucked it up.
I can't push forward.
Or Mara one, no hook.
Hog.
Mara one.
Okay, I'm dead. I'm most likely gonna. Oh, that
Kill.
was
No.
Hog no hook. Hog one. Dead.
Hog. Sim down.
Dex,
Go.
I think that might be a GG,
Nice.
fellas.
That's a GG.
Go.
Let's go, dude. Pug you.
Nice job.
Okay, someone's echoing now.
Is it me?
Someone.
Yeah,
Oh, there's
it's Josh.
Wait,
It's
what?
clapped. It's Livid.
Oh,
1945.
There you
Oh,
go.
it's
He's saying
me.
my real name. Is it better now or no?
This is Poggle.
Yeah, it's good now.
Okay. Nice job.
Alright, good job, y'all.
Yo, that 180 though. That was it. 2 kills.
I'll vote Dex.
Yeah, dude.
Big
Oh yeah,
mercy.
go Dex.
Big mercy. This ping
Oh,
is
they
whack.
voted this time.
What am I getting messages from? I gotta mute like every channel in this Discord.
Aren't we not supposed to be talking in chat?
I just told the caster the producers I'm sorry for the internet problem.
Oh yeah, right. Sorry.
Yeah.
Wait,
Forgot. Sorry, this is my first game too.
which chat?
That's chat.
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright,
I
they-
think
I hit my chat.
All right, so they swapped Vaporeon. So what does he play? He plays support. He's a
Same,
Moira
he's
main,
off-
so he's
he's an off
actually
support.
diamond.
Off support. Hottie was the Bap.
Dude, he's
Okay, so
33
he's
free
a-
on Moira.
Bruh, that means he's
Attacker
fucking
defense,
gold.
attacker defense, attacker defense.
Wait, Junkertown attack.
Okay.
Easy. We just roll him.
Wait,
I
are they
like
playing
attacking
us
first.
right now?
What do you mean? What are they
Yeah,
saying?
Wacky Wildcats.
Yeah, when Wacky Wildcats attack.
Wacky
Okay,
Wildcats?
okay, we have multiple things we can do here. We can start off on the pirate ship.
I don't want to be that team.
Yeah.
I mean, what else are we gonna do?
We can go Pharmacy Widow.
Here,
Okay, that works.
or
Yeah, let's do that.
we can go like
Then what? Arisa Hog? Orisa Sig, or
Orisa,
what?
Orisa Hog. Han. I don't know. I don't know. I think Genji's kind of good here, but
I don't know. We haven't run that.
It's not a
recently.
tank. Genji's
Yeah.
not a tank.
yeah, definitely Orisa Hog. Definitely Orisa Hog.
Alright.
Brian Zari was so fun, but so short.
Yeah.
The Mean Greens. Both of our team names are Papega.
Rice right
Yeah.
now. Wow, we got that sentry turret. Nice, dude.
Yes, sir, dude. You still like calling Hottie, dude? That was literally on me that opened up the point.
Oh, and then Dex died. How did you die, Pain?
He got pulled hooked.
Oh, okay. Of course.
Look how much work I'm doing.
I
know,
got
I'm
like
trading
3
with him.
picks.
Yeah. Why are the DPS the only ones getting kills? What the hell,
Bryce,
guys?
you had Bryce, you had 5 health.
Yeah.
Alright, don't pick, don't
Oh
pick.
fuck!
We go Doomfist.
I'm so
Yeah.
used to
we
to
don't
it
pick him.
starting.
Or-
Fuck.
Yeah. Alright.
That'd be so weird unless
Wait,
Yeah,
why
let's
are,
do.
how are golden guns on but skins aren't?
it's
It
not.
only
No.
shows up in the start. It
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
takes them off. Okay, so let's Orisa Hog, Widow, and then what did you want for second DPS, Bryce?
Armor
I don't even know.
Pharmacy. Okay, I'll go Anna.
We can
If they
try.
have
We
a-
can try it.
If they have a widow, probably switch off to Genji.
Yeah, and then Dex can go
Lucio.
Lucio.
They have ads
Yeah.
most times.
I can see who's playing because I can see their spawn from our spawn, so I'll let you guys know.
That's kind of cheating.
Wait, what?
Did you not know that?
Wait,
No.
what?
I can see everyone they're playing.
I don't play the game.
Yo, Will, get
What?
move.
Oh,
Will, move.
shit.
Will, move.
I'm too short. I can't see.
Yo, Hog, move. What the fuck?
I'm
playing,
literally
uh,
too short. I
Doomfist.
can't see.
We're playing Doomfist, Orisa,
Okay.
Hanzo, Doomfist,
I can
Hanzo.
already see it. I can already see them.
Doomfist, Hanzo,
Yeah, I don't
Sigma. Orisa, Sigma,
Okay,
Orisa.
so we continue with this comp. Double
Yeah.
shield, Doomfist, Hanzo. They're playing Moira Lucio then, so yeah, easy.
They're gonna
Their
fuck me.
Hanzo, their Hanzo's the only thing I need to worry about, and their Hanzo has
Did
nothing
you
to
guys
do.
not know about this spot?
No.
Yo, quick question.
Where?
Do we play all 5 if we win 3 in a row or no?
I
Yeah,
think
there's
we
only
might.
4
They're
maps, and
holding
yeah, we play
well.
all 4.
They're holding middle right now.
For map differential.
Oh, buddy. Chris
Yeah.
took a lot of damage there.
Oh,
Yeah, I
fuck
did.
you. Okay.
Push,
What's
don't let
up,
that
Doomfist?
Oh, let's do
Right,
Doomfist.
right, right.
Big nade! Oh, never mind.
I heard him too late.
Rocked.
There
It's fine.
one.
Doom.
I'm
Play safe, play
Yeah,
safe.
you gotta
Oh my
LOS.
God.
LOS.
My attention.
Okay, hold on.
I'm reloading.
Pulling.
I'm pulled.
Orisa's half.
Big. Let's push on that. Relocate your shield.
Doom.
Doom.
That was a shitty move. Okay. So,
Doom.
Orisa pull.
Doom on the right. Doom
On
still
Orisa.
on the right. Sleep behind him. Thank you.
okay,
I'm
Dex,
aiming
you up
Orisa.
here?
Get in there. They fucked up shield. Big purple. Let's go.
My shots find them.
Oh my god, that
I
fucking
didn't need to
pole.
use it, but I used it.
Dude, that pole was actually nuts. You pulled him straight into me.
Yo, now
That was
you're
Make sure-
fun.
sure
That
to
was
watch out.
BM. I'm gonna get in trouble for that BM.
Why is Pain muted?
Oh, why is Dex
Is
Why
he
is-
echoes?
What the fuck? I was muted this whole time.
Hey, I got.
He's playing
I
with his
got there.
trainer.
Oof. Alright. They have a Kree now?
Tara,
Bryce, I'm right with you.
right now.
Okay.
I'm coming back. I'm coming.
Sell my position.
I
I
headshot
can't
someone.
see you, Ace.
Orisa's
I'm
one.
pushing forward.
Ah!
Ace, I
Pushing around
can't
the
see.
corner.
Did you miss that? Oh my god.
Shut up!
Pull right. Or under
Oh,
left. Under
Orisa's,
left.
Orisa's half.
No, on next pull, Chris, can you pull under
Oh,
left?
I now.
Boot him up. Throw on intel.
Fine.
Oh, Orisa's
That
one,
plan is
dude.
Wait, I actually hit
Pulling,
that
pulling,
anti.
pulling.
Big pull! 6.
Got him.
I think they're just playing the wrong comp.
Yo, 90 ping widow is different.
Yeah, I don't know why they're playing Doom into a Pharah. That's kinda.
Oh god. Oh god, that's why I'm switching.
Yo, Moira!
I can res.
Doomfist behind.
Oh,
oh.
dude, you're huge.
Can I get
Fly
a heal
up,
kit,
fly up,
please?
Oh, I'm
I tried
sorry.
to save you, buddy.
Okay, it's okay.
Doomfist is one. Got him.
Nice shot.
Yeah, did you
My
see
first
that?
death.
Ow!
Well, if I said nice shot,
I was that too.
Good on point.
I got long spawn.
We're missing our Chris.
I got long spawn.
Yeah, two of ours got lost one.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
did
let's
I.
just wait up. Let's just wait up. Let's don't push forward. I'm just gonna hold from up here.
I'm burning shit.
Yeah, just spam from afar.
Yep.
Wait, we need to push cart though.
Oh shh.
I'm reloading.
Oh,
Damn it. Okay, I'm out. I'm dead all around that middle.
I'm not gonna res.
No,
Yeah,
res.
it's
oh, that's a great pick.
Wait, you have barrage.
Yeah, I'm switching to junk after I ult.
Okay.
Can pull?
Pulling.
There, res.
Should I switch to Lucio after?
Yes.
Yeah. After I ult.
Doom.
Oh,
So
dude,
you should use your ultimate ultimate.
Yeah.
Pulling now.
Yeah, use Valk this fight.
I had to pre-hook that dude.
Well, we're winning.
Go to him.
No, use Valk. Okay.
Yep.
Arista purple. Oh wait, that's sick.
Oh fuck it. I slept.
Arista, sick.
Oh, they didn't kill you after they slept?
No.
Anna?
Dude, fair is just still working. I mean,
Dude, they said Fair's gonna be a huge problem.
They couldn't shimmy. I hit him with the dance moves.
Oh my god, stop. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm gonna float around up here. Yeah, I mean, if it's not bird, don't push.
Fuck.
Watch your pull.
Keep it on nice.
Doom out. I'm gonna
We're still no.
I'm gonna nano Arista.
I'm switching. I should switch.
Actually,
now, yeah.
not yet.
Pull him.
He's one.
Huge.
I think is this winnable?
No.
Kill Arista.
Yes.
I'm nanoing Arista.
I'm walking in.
Kill Arista.
Oh, McCree purple. Let's go. Was that a team kill?
No, I'm just here.
Doom. I'm gonna watch right door. Nano down.
Oh shit, he missed a punch on me? Question mark.
Jar.
Jar. Holy shit, that was a good round. Okay, they're probably
Let's
gonna run power chip. So let's run. Bastion, Junkrat. Let's hold close right.
Oh no.
They're gonna run power chip. I'm guessing, because
They
they.
have an MVP vote on the.
Which I'm voting for myself. What the fuck?
What do you mean? I voted for myself. Oh wait. What are we running for defense? Say it again.
Baptiste and then Sigma for more shields. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold close right side. So just crouch your way over there for those of you who can't crouch.
Oh damn, they
Don't make
spectated me
choices.
when I got killed. Fuck.
Dude, oh shit! I have 3 votes for MVP. Pog.
How do you vote?
Oh, you saw I tried to save you,
Oh.
but well, I tried.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm my only vote. Poggers.
Holy crap, I died. So quickly. My
Wait, how do you vote?
You just
It's
click on
under
your
the
name.
panels.
I have
I'm
2
on-
votes.
Look at my
What
name
the
there.
fuck?
Wait, why does Harley Quinn on the other team have 3 votes?
Okay, hold on. Okay.
I don't know.
Go
Votes
Sigma.
don't
Go
get
Sigma.
Oh.
Yeah, back to the
Sigma.
spawn room.
I'm really going.
Guys, shh. Okay, we have to
Yeah,
get there
back-
first.
okay.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to
walk
their spawn
until
door?
we get-
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
walk until we
Yeah,
get to the
cuts.
door.
We're not gonna have Sig though.
Walk until we get to the door.
I'm not gonna be there.
It's okay, we don't need Sig.
They're on a bastion. They're on a bastion. Hear it. Hog.
Okay.
Widow. Okay, set up. We can set up.
It's my shield.
They have a widow?
They're on top. I think so. They're skeptical.
Ah,
Then
they
what?
rotated.
Oh, we have to go. We have to rotate right now.
They're on Atch.
Right here.
Hit him with a
Oh
rock.
no.
No, I got pulled. Shit,
no.
on me.
Arista half. Shield
Oh,
down.
there's just one.
Arista low. Arista
Close
one.
up.
Got her.
Close up. Nice.
Big trap, dude.
Yo, play around the corner more. Help me.
I got you. Don't worry.
They're Bastion set up. Bastion
Oh,
set
no,
up,
no.
Bastion dead.
I'm eating everything. I'm eating.
I ate that, I took that hook,
More.
Ursa down.
Ash on cart.
Ash left side cart. Ash back left. Ash back left.
I'm reloading.
Pulling, got 4 of them.
Ash one.
Ash needs to die.
Yo,
Alright, get back a
Arista
little
top.
bit.
Arista top right.
Stop that for Hanzo.
Alright, get back a little bit. Get back a little bit. Oh
I
shit!
got
Hog.
hog.
Back up a little bit. Still back up a
We
little
need
bit.
it back. We need it back. Back a little bit. Back to this corner. Yeah.
Yeah,
we're
right here.
Okay. Can I have any ults? I don't think so.
No.
Yo, Rigorous shield. What was that shield?
I can throw Amort.
No shield, no shield.
Hanzo's on the
Or
right
Amort,
side.
Amort.
No shield, no shield, no shield. Got it.
Amort's down, Amort's down.
Ash trap, got her.
I ate hook, Marissa?
Mercy top left.
Yo, Mercy's on her.
Mercy one.
Nice.
Beat off this hog.
Okay.
You can plan.
I've got Ant Matrix.
Oh, fuck.
Can you res
You
this?
can rest. Yes, sir.
Marissa.
I have to break shit the mercy.
I had
I'm gonna Ant Matrix. When they
Shield,
push
that
in.
shield.
Where are they?
Main.
Coming.
Top.
No.
Right side, Hanzo. He was
Oh,
on.
fuck, I'm dead too.
No, Bryce.
You're dead, Bryce.
Hanzo, right side, just.
Oh, I saved you.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna switch
Ant
to,
Matrix, Ant Matrix.
Back up. We should back up.
No, I have
No,
Amort. No,
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 Okay.
I'm switching Ash.
I'm eating.
Yo, Hanzo's on the right side.
I'm going to get him. No shield.
Back it up. I'm backing up.
Amort. Okay, get out. You're not an Amort.
I was.
I could res that, maybe?
No.
Nah,
I
they're
don't
pushing
think
out.
so. We don't have tanks.
I can't res you.
Wait, both of your tanks are there. What do you mean?
Yeah, we're fine.
Wait, what the doing?
Well, Sig was like
Yo, huge.
out in Narnia.
I just wanted to get him out of position.
Call
Yeah.
call targets.
Yeah.
Stop talking.
Hog.
I'm eating hog. Hog.
Hog.
I missed my boulder. Hog. Hog still. Hog.
Oh, there's an Earth on me. I mean,
Hog.
Hogs one,
Hog
guys.
needs to die,
Shut
dude.
up, bro. I'm gonna
Hog.
wait for you.
Marissa?
Nice.
I
Dude.
I
Set
just
up,
got it. I just got
set
forward.
up corner again.
We're on.
I just popped off.
Nice job, guys.
I'm fitting again.
They're
Yeah,
running
I'm a
Ryan
damage
Zarya. They're
receiver.
Ryan Zarya.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
The
I'm fitting
Hanzo's on right side.
They're in there. Little room.
Dude,
I
I wish
didn't
they
want this.
expected the mercy. Oh, I got you, Bryce. I
I'm
got
gonna Ant Matrix here. I'm gonna Ant Matrix.
Zarya.
Malky.
Dude, the hunt.
I'm resing that.
Mercy.
No, I'm not. No.
Nice.
Okay, he's dead.
Moira, right here. Moira. Moira needs to die.
Where's the? Oh, okay.
Hanzo, it's just Hanzo that I can touch right now.
I'm sorry. Good dex.
Alright, so let's
Wait,
Bastional
where are
like
you?
really
Where-
early. Let's Bastional
Top
early.
right,
top right.
Yo, clear comms, dude. Chill.
Ryan's coming in. Top right.
Bastional early. Bastional early.
I ulted. Oh my god.
Ash up top. Zarya. Mercy.
Mercy. Moira. Hanzo.
Oh,
Let's go.
Nice job, guys.
GG.
Alright, now we're on Numbani.
Numb balls, knees.
We got fucked last time, so.
numb in the balls to the knees.
Dude, he's spectating
Oh.
me. What the fuck?
Dude, look at this play.
Big bap carry.
Oh, it's at the very
Big
end.
Vap carry, dude.
Oh my god. Moira
I'll vote for Bap. I'll
emoted,
vote
dude.
for Bap.
Moira actually emoted.
You guys can start, but I gotta piss.
Okay.
What'd you drop?
Alright, Numbani. I guess we get to pick side again. So what do you want? Defense or
What did
offense?
you come and say?
Offense
Yeah, let's
first all the way.
attack.
Okay.
So I can run the pharmacy and we can just roll through them.
Alright.
Unless it's like 2 CP, I always want to attack first.
Yeah.
Because then we
Okay.
know what we are up against and we know what to do.
Yeah. Understandable.
But 2 CP is easy clappers. It's gonna suck either way.
Yeah, 2 speeds, easy aids.
So you said offense, right? Offense.
Yeah, offense. Should say please, at least.
Yeah, I can't believe you don't say please.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Oh, dude,
Alright,
wait,
Dude, clapped you almost died to that Hanzo.
wait. The dude they swapped out left.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
He was probably just
His
ringing.
internet sucked.
Alright. Oh, clapped getting that big sigil.
This is when I switched to Ash, and this is when we just started.
Yo,
to roll.
someone said Wacky Wildcats the champs.
True.
Yeah, we're champs when we actually get to play.
They the champs. Wait. Oh wait. Hold on. Let me spam my emote. Easy.
Okay, I've returned from my piss.
Welcome back. Was it a good one?
It was a long one.
That's good.
This is when I shouted. when I was out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. Cause I hit that headshot on the Hanzo there.
Yeah. Big dynamite.
She went off to the right on purpose, dude. It's my flux.
This is where I amped, and they just died.
Yeah, that Ryan really tried. He really did.
Dude, then they were specking
Damn,
me
Bryce.
when I was whiffing.
Yeah,
He was specking me
Bryce
when I was
just-
whiffing.
No, you hit that nice
Hanzo,
damage
look at this
headshot.
Hanzo gets-
Yeah.
This Hanzo's
I stole the
camped
kill.
by Mercy.
Oh my god, the mercy.
Yeah. Dude, you were
Dude,
juking his
big-
shots.
Dude, big deck play. Big decks play.
Big Dex play. Alright. Let's go.
Imagine having your names be your actual names. Don't pick.
No, wait.
Sure.
You can vote
Like
again.
Ace.
Select your hero.
Wait. You can vote multiple times if you give bits.
We told you.
I have
Why
like
would you give bit?
I have a ton
Oh,
of bits. I could just
No,
vote
no,
for myself
no,
like
no.
25 times.
have one?
Hey,
No,
don't.
give them
Ace,
all to
don't.
me.
Oh, stop spamming pick.
I
I
put
need
it in
to.
your bag. You left.
He's the Waccoon.
Oh, then it's on you.
Okay, what are we running?
Okay, well, we fucking threw last time, so I'm gonna go Anna.
What are we running? Bryce, you're in-game
So
leader.
I can throw this time.
Risa Hog.
Do you want me to run
Yes.
Reaper, McCree?
I think Widow would probably.
Probably
Widow or Genji, don't you think?
Probably McCree. So you can stay with the team and get value from the pulse. And
Okay.
just, just do someone there. Because Widow's sightlines are kind of the same as
Maybe-
Pharah's, and I'm trying to take an off angle.
Widow's sightlines are poopy.
Poopy, stinky on first point.
Uh-oh, funny, poopy.
No one else is
On
pretty
second point, she's
stinky.
really pog. Can I go Widow second
play.
point?
Yeah, Widow's second point.
Ooh.
But first point, there's only like 2 angles, and I'm trying to take one of them.
I was
I'm gonna go far left.
styling on them as Widow.
Wait, should I go main or far left?
Go main because we're gonna
go main.
Going
Okay.
left.
main.
Okay, you guys go top left, and I'll go main, and we can do the crossfire.
They're gonna be running probably double shield.
Right, chief.
2, 1.
Oh, I didn't mean to emote. Fuck.
Oh my
Good
God,
job.
Will.
Reset the
Toxic.
match.
Toxic.
Bro.
McCree.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
You guys are going top right. They have a free Ash.
We need to go. We need to go top left. Where are they holding?
You wanna go boot
They're
them
going
off
top,
on
they're
that
going top
side?
right. They're on a diva.
They're top
Diva
right?
Reinhardt.
Okay.
Dude, they're trying to fuck me over the ass. That's
Oh,
what
they're
doing. Are they on a doomfist? They're on a
Ryan
doomfist.
Diva?
Doomfist ass.
They've Ash.
They have, oh.
I'm about to go aggressive real quick. They
No.
No, go
I'm
aggressive. I
right.
got heals on you.
Yeah, Dex, get the res.
Right then.
Marker half.
Okay.
Half their team came to me, so it's a 3 whatever it is right now.
Yeah. I don't know.
Diva, focus Diva.
Diva, Diva.
Doom.
Doom, doom.
Good for me.
Diva, sleep. Okay.
Diva's
Ah,
not
yeah.
low.
Diva's behind us. She's probably gonna jump off.
I need massive suction.
Yeah,
got you.
I'm working on you. There's a baby on us. Okay.
Ryan.
Dog. Oh, that Mercy was alive?
What's
I gotta
going
top
on?
off behind you, Dex.
I can't see you, Bryce.
Oh, wait, you know what? I'm gonna help Cap because I'm right here.
Oh my god, yeah, I'm going,
Someone want to join me?
I'm gonna go Doomfist.
Yeah, let's go Widow.
Yeah, that's what I'm
What I
gonna.
Widow
check
down.
out.
He got baited! He got baited!
What are you guys doing?
He got baited!
He clapped him, dude.
Dude, that's some funny shit. Oh.
Okay, you know how my name was for Doom One Trick? Yeah, well, that's a
Yeah.
fucking lie.
Now you're what?
Diva one.
Diva.
Fuck,
Mercy
my
half.
bad.
Mercy half.
Okay, my ping on Doomfist.
I whiffed, dude.
I can't res that, by
Can
the
you
way.
pull it on?
Oh. Yeah.
I can res you, Anna.
Yeah, thanks.
How did they know you were there?
Do one.
Wait, Bryce.
Ready? I'm about to be aggressive with my amp fit.
Diva's on right side.
Diva right side.
Ready?
Wait, Diva's still alive? Should I
Get a
need
pick
to-
and come out.
D.Va. Sleeping Bob,
Sleep
Sleeping Bob.
up. Oh, sleep up.
Get Ash. Ash one.
Ash one.
I'm walking, being aggressive. He has hammer.
Bob was already asleep.
Ryan half.
Doom
behind.
I
behind.
just got
He's asleep. Oh, never mind. Okay, that's really cool.
Dude, my Doomfist ping is so bad. Like, you know how, like, sometimes when you're playing Doomfist, like, your punch, is off, like, the punch animation is off?
Yeah.
That's how it is right now, and it's so fucking bad.
They're gonna recontest probably. They have a break now?
Question?
What the fuck are they doing?
And a Kree.
Dude, don't sleep on break. What the hell's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Yo, up
That's
there.
Dex's #1 played hero. Wait.
Wait,
Bruh.
but legitimately,
Oh, they can't contest.
top 3 is
Yeah, they're
all
not
break one
contesting.
trick accounts.
Yo, they're dropping.
Why
Well,
now?
they already lost. So what are they dropping for?
Dude,
Dude, where we dropping, boys?
D.Va's
I
just
don't know what they're
fucking
doing.
Wait, they're still
Straight.
dropping.
tunnel visioning.
They're still feeding. What? You just hooked out of my line.
It's fine, dude. Everything happens for a reason.
Drop down, D.Va.
Can't hear you.
Ah!
Oh, I should pull that down and kill all of us, dude.
That was kind of interesting. She's
Yeah,
still
that
up
was
there.
Pretty pog.
I'm gonna cut her off.
You're alone. You're alone still. Okay, I'm back.
She's one. Get
One
him.
man.
I got her.
Nice.
I can't help you really.
Yeah,
Leave her
I
comfort.
got her out of mech. She's okay.
The Ryan's some point by
Let's
himself.
go.
Okay, I'm dead.
I can res.
Ryan,
You guys gotta
Ryan.
protect me. Got around here.
Nope.
Oh my god, you gotta
Oh,
be
I got
kidding
3!
me.
I got 3!
Let's go, dude.
Yo, Doom behind.
Ace popped off. Did you nano the?
Hey,
Nano Dex?
peek out.
Dude, Dex, top of your ult.
I got 3 headshots in a row, dude.
Nano Valk.
Let's
Go.
Let's go.
He pops off, dude.
Yo, I really hope they show that play with the Doom getting pushed off.
Yeah.
Oh, the stream's still on first point. Holy shit, we took that fast.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was good.
Select your hero.
I'm gonna go Junkrat.
I get to run Widow again. Why'd people happy?
Yeah. Fuck it, we go Sombra Widow. We have no damage, but it's gonna be okay.
I just mean like in
Actually-
general, I get to play Widow again.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
care what I play right now.
Oh no, we don't. They
you
don't
go-
show it, but
you go
you
three?
see the kill feed.
Yeah.
Please show it.
No, they
Please
didn't
go
show it, but you see the kill feed.
Yeah.
Wait, no.
Wait, what? Is that guy AFK?
Why are they showing him in spawn?
Yeah, I don't know. Alright,
Oh,
so
that
defense.
face making me, dude. What the?
I'm gonna go in again.
Wait, dude, Bryce, one of the casters has your last name in his Discord tag.
Walther.
What?
Free sponsorship, dude. Free
Oh,
sponsorship.
it's closed. Never mind. I misread it.
Sponsorship. Bruh.
It's Waltham.
Alright, so they
Oh,
said
I
winning
told you
team.
guys my last name.
They said winning team stay in the lobby
Brown.
after we're done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we have to say. But don't leave like y'all normally do.
I never leave. I'm always the last one
Okay.
standing because I think
Okay,
it's
wait,
fun.
where am I going?
Where's the tanks holding?
Am I
Top
going
left.
Top left.
here?
Top left.
So what am I doing after the game? Don't leave.
Don't
They
leave.
don't leave.
What are we
Also
supposed
leave.
to do?
We're
Just
staying.
I
saying,
don't
they probably
know.
want to. They probably want to say hey.
We're staying so we can put the caster sticks in our mouths.
Yeah, they're probably gonna join our voice chat or something.
I think I might have to mute myself, dude. I gotta stay censored.
Don't dive. Don't dive.
They're on dive.
Ash.
I think
or
we're running
I'm
counter
losing.
dive.
Hanzo.
Okay.
Wait, what was the other DPS?
Oh, wait, what?
You actually went for it?
No way, dude.
And they got.
Oh, they wasted res, dude.
Yeah, I was about to hack the Mercy.
Let me get some ult charge off you don't heal.
Okay.
Well, yeah, there's the plan. I
They're
think
on
they're
top. They're on high
They're
ground.
going top. They're top.
Go top right.
They have a monkey. They're
I
gonna jump.
really
I'm
wanna
trying
go
to sleep
blue.
They're
him.
gonna jump.
Never mind, I missed.
Jumping.
He's not jumping.
Divas, they're about to.
Oh my god, I got clawed.
I'm gonna boop him. I'm gonna boop him.
I'm jumping. I'm jumping. They're diving on me. I'm bait. Get Winston.
Ash's
Winston.
headshot. Ash is dinked.
Diva.
I got Ash. Don't let them res.
They're rezzing.
I need heals, dude. On point.
Winston's one. Winston one. Winston one. Winston one.
Man, I have to
Winston
kill
one.
everyone else.
Winston one.
Divas
Winston
is
one.
behind. Divas is behind.
What's
Give
the
us hack. Give us hack. Give us hack.
Diva.
I'm dead,
Diva slow.
I'm dead.
Focus on Diva.
Oh, damn it. What happened there?
I got killed. I got killed. That's my bad.
Like,
I think we all should have dropped. Some of us stayed up, some of us went down. We were split.
It's okay,
Do
it's
we stay
okay.
on the? Do we stay Sombra or do we switch like?
no. Not with five.
Okay. Go.
The Hanzo.
Floppy,
was-
they're like Doom or yeah, Genji.
Here, I'm gonna go taxi.
Who are you aiming at, boy?
Did you hear that?
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Fuck, dude.
So
Where's
you guys
their
wanna
Hanzo?
play?
They're gonna have dragon.
I'm gonna.
Diva's top left. Diva's top left asleep.
Oh, my bad.
It's okay.
I shot at her before she got slept.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not a projectile
Your
though.
ping is poop.
But my paping
Yeah,
is
hold on.
papoop.
Pulling.
Yo,
Yo, Ash just won. Ash just won.
That's just 1 HP.
Got her.
Right side, play right side, play right side. Diva behind, Diva up top on you, Ana.
Oh,
Mercy,
he's
Mercy,
asleep. He's
half.
asleep.
Oh, I'm so
Hanzo
sorry.
one, Hanzo one. Nice.
Oh,
Are you
you're
healing?
body blocked.
Oh my god, I made her headshot the Ash.
I'm reloading.
Oh no.
Oh my
can't-
god.
Oh
I'm
no,
so
he.
dead.
Oh, what? I killed the Diva, bro.
It's winnable. It's just Winston.
You have no healers.
It's fine.
We'll be back. We'll be back.
That was
yeah.
a weird jump, dude.
Yeah.
I don't know how that bomb killed me, TBH.
Go right
Okay,
side, go right side, go right side.
on
right side,
a
right side.
hold your ult. I'm about to have blade.
Okay.
Maybe.
Bro, I can't make that jump.
I got you, don't worry.
Yo, was that
Hanzo's-
Sigma bot?
Hanzo's on top.
No
Hanzo's on
one
top.
can hide from my sight.
Wait,
Uh,
what?
the Sigma on the wall, was that always there?
I'm gonna beat Sabab.
No?
Got
Monkey's
Diva,
purple,
got
monkey's jumping purple, monkey's jumping purple.
Okay, supports.
Somewhere else,
Yeah,
somewhere
no.
else.
I'm speeding. On heal. Speeding again,
we
speeding again.
kill these, we
Yeah,
kill these.
speeding
we
again,
kill these.
speeding.
Go. I'm
Defense,
reloading.
D-Mac half.
Wait,
Let's back up. Back up.
Back.
Okay, we
Okay,
have
so I'm gonna
Wait,
play.
I'm gonna play the corner, I'm gonna play.
They're
Yeah,
gonna
play
have
this
Valor.
corner right here.
Ready? Oh, I missed.
Oh my god, you body blocked.
Fall back.
I'm gonna get a
Firebox
kill.
is a good way of saying. It's a funny way of saying bodied. Alright, they're off dive. Or they're off of monkey. Diva.
Diva. What?
Okay,
Hanzo.
once they come in, I'm gonna be on
They're
this
coming
ball
left, they're
side
coming left.
enemy.
Pulling.
They're going top left, I think.
I got pulled.
Nano, can Nano?
Yeah.
Yo,
Diva's on our
behind.
widow.
Go. Wrist of purple.
Speeding.
Mercy, may have.
Yeah,
Oh,
stay
let's
here with me. Oh no, there's a Hanzo!
What?
That's unfortunate. I'm gonna go taxi. Actually, no, they're gonna be back with Bob.
Yeah, just stay. I'll
no,
get there
they're
fast.
Hanzo. You
It's
think?
fine.
Yo, baby
I'll be
defense
fine.
on,
I'll be
I'm
fine.
not killing her. You guys kill her when you come back.
With my blade, I cut those who disrespect women.
Oh my god.
Yo, baby diva up top. I left her there so you guys can kill her on the way back.
Oh!
Top left.
Yeah, leave her there.
Oh, she's
Okay.
in mech.
But make sure you kill her. When you come back.
She's behind us,
Pulling.
yeah.
I baited her.
Yeah, kill her
She's
now,
on me.
kill
She's
her
on me.
now.
On me.
Tipping
Turn
bomb.
around. Oh my god, fucking Pepega.
What's the
I
bomb?
was sleeping bomb!
Okay.
No.
I'm reloading. There's Diva top left. How did she get her mech? What?
I called that she had mech.
But she did get like 8 headshots on me while I was standing still, so.
Imagine.
I just had to
Okay.
get the last kill.
Okay, we will have Nano blade here
Nano
for this
blade
last
next play.
points.
The payload
Maybe go like McCree or
Yep.
yeah
Okay.
or
Dude, we can't
Yeah.
let these guys get.
You can't even let them claim a complaint, dude.
Yeah.
yeah
This is
We
the
don't-
first
We
point they've
don't,
gotten
we don't
all
go
game,
into
though.
extra rounds.
Well, you know
against these guys.
yeah.
Hanzo
Like
top,
I don't want
damage
to
reset.
do
Hanzo top.
deflected it. Pull him into it.
He's
Yeah,
asleep. He's
actually,
asleep.
Speeding.
Hanzo is asleep up top.
Get that.
In our spawn?
No, up top.
Up on the high ground.
This
While he's
this
awake.
warrior has a habit of AFKing.
No, she just wants to die. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, no, but like she could make it hard for me, and like maybe like
Okay, what a shot.
No, don't go. Don't peek.
Yeah, don't peek.
He has a
Don't
sonar.
peek.
He has a sonar.
All right.
okay. I'm my blade.
Okay.
I'm about to have my ult.
Watch from pulls.
Pulling.
Hanzo Diva up top.
Nice.
No, the way
Wait,
that.
you
I
got it.
got her.
Or,
Gotta fall back.
we should be good. We should be good.
We're up with one.
Shield
Yeah.
and three. Pulling.
Hanzo's top. Hanzo mercy top.
Speeding.
What do you want? Nano.
No, we don't want Nano.
Speeding still.
Diva top left.
In my sleep.
Yo, leave Diva out of mech. Leave Diva out of mech.
Diva. Yeah, leave her. She's just gonna jump off.
Yo, Arissa,
Okay, that's fine.
What the fuck?
Dude, Lucio,
Fall
stop
back, fall back.
screaming. Fuck.
I was on fire, dude. What the
Wait,
fuck?
Diva hasn't jumped off yet.
Oh my god.
Wait,
Let her do her thing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's
we have
trying to-
we have nano blade for this fight. No ults.
I'm going up top real quick.
Play left side, play left side.
oh my god, Dex.
I'm
Holy shit, Dex.
I know, I saw it.
Oh, right there, right now.
Offer. Call when they're pushing in.
I'm going up.
Okay.
I got
Oh, no.
risky.
Demon,
I got pulled.
demon.
Oh no. Diva behind us, sleep. Diva
No
behind us.
way.
We won that, we won that, we won that.
Hey, so I told you. Okay, that's fine.
I'm
Leave Diva,
scared.
leave Diva, leave Diva.
No, let her get her mech off me again while I'll hook her back.
Yeah.
Never mind, she's not getting out. It's too
Yeah.
late.
She's not trying to remake.
I'm ready for
There.
you.
Okay. So what else do they pop there? They pop Moira.
Coalescence and.
They pop Moira and Hanzo. They're gonna have
Alright.
Bob. They're gonna have Bob. They're gonna have their Orisa.
Oh
God.
no! Fuck.
Okay, we're down our main house. We're down our main house. Back up.
Wait,
It's
Orisa's one.
okay, boys. It's okay. W.
Just don't even peek, don't even peek, don't even peek.
Hanzo.
Don't
I
peek,
don't know
don't peek,
where I
don't peek.
just got hit by an arrow though.
Yeah, he's up top. He's up top.
We
He's up
waited
top.
to beat out.
Okay, but that means we have our main heal back. That's
Hands
fine.
up top.
Top.
Ash 1.
I'm back.
Pulling.
Moira no fade.
Huge.
I'm dead. There's 3 in that room.
Pulling.
Diva half. You have high noon?
No, I'm 60.
Back up.
I can't
Oh, I
see
got
you. I
killed.
can't.
Let them have some space, let them have some space. We're down.
Yeah, back up. Group up.
Play right side, play right side, play right side.
I can't.
We're about to get to another nano blade.
Just nano someone.
SS.
Touch.
Oh my god,
We
oh
gotta
my
kill
god.
this Moira, dude. Moira.
Moira's one.
With the fade, no fade.
Oh, more.
Moira.
There is.
Moira. Yeah, okay. Jar?
GG boys.
Let's
Is there
go.
one more map or no?
No, GG's. Holy shit, that was a good. Oh my god, that was so. Oh
Let's
my
go.
God, dude, my heartbeat
God.
is
That
just.
was
going-
so clean, bro.
We insane, dude.
We're good against a diamond team. Let's go.
Wait, is this a diamond team?
I don't know.
Watch
why
this.
I know the captain's diamond. I don't know about anyone else. Oof.
Hey, you're missing. What are their divas doing? He missed. That sucks.
Fucking slapped right there.
Yo, holy shit, the Star Esports Live stream is lagging so much.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Oh my god. That's sad.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it now too. It's starting to lag.
I'll go. No, fuck.
But one thing I would like to mention is now that we have our MVP pull in, I can tell you guys that tonight's MVP of the match, well, I guess that kind of is too much saying like that, but it's Ace. He was playing that DPS role, and this Numbani, him running that Widowmaker was actually a lot of fun to watch. At one point, he got a
triple
crazy,
kills.
crazy 3K headshot, and I mean, you know, those are just plays you love to see, which, you know, ever since they added 222 makes that ability for the DPS to shine more and even play DPS in
Mr.
general.
Mouse One bashing himself.
Kind of go in. Yeah, dude. I mean, Mouse went on bashing. We talked about it before. Who really needs WASD? You know, WASD is so suggestive. You know, all I need is that Mouse 1, Mouse 2. Barely even the Mouse 2. Just give me the Mouse 1.
Yeah, he was. I was watching. He was holding Mouse One for at least 90% when it comes to right mouse. Like he was hardly even doing it. So that's props to his team.